selling cars is hard, so sometimes I gamble. And I've been hearing a lot of people talk about the Outlier app. Had to try it out. Anything that can help me get better with this sports gambling, sports betting, I had to try it out. And it was, it was a free trial, a 7-day free trial. So I said, if I make $20 during this 7-day free trial, I'll keep it for another month. And I did. I made $20. I like this app because it breaks down all the projections for you. It gives you stats, gives you the last 10 games, the last 20 games. And if you pay for the pro version of it, you get EV plus projections that give you better odds. Like I say, it gives you the stats from the last 5 games, the last 10 games, the last 20. Hell, what they did in 2022. Breaks it down in a nice little chart. It is easy to look at. It's easy to read. I recommend everybody trying it out for, just try it out for 7 days. If you don't win $20 off of any of these picks, then cancel it. But you also got to keep in mind that when you're playing these, when you're making bets, only bet what you can afford to lose. And even though this might say go over, it might say go under, the player still got to play. The player still got to play. And it's all gambling, so you can still lose. Matter of fact, later on in this video, I'm going to show you a play that I did on the Sports Quack app, and I actually lost on the play, and Brook Lopez is one of the reasons why. Looking at his stats now, his points, the over was 11.5, and this is giving me all the reason, all the confidence why he should get over 11.5. It was on the EV plus projections. See, I'm going to Sports Quack now. Download the Outlier app and also download Sports Quack. Sports Quack is a great app. They give you a rewards program. So there's a rewards tier. You keep winning, you get more perks, and it also has a great referral program. I'm starting to use this app more and more just because, hell, you're giving me money for winning. You can't beat it. I also have a video on my channel that is a Sports Quack review, but this is about Outlier. Outlier is worth the $20 to me just because I sell cars for a living. So sometimes I can't just research all the stats, and it's good to have a tool that has all the projections just right there in front of me so I can choose if I want to take a risk or not. Like I said, for this Devin Booker did cash. He did go under the 40.5. Brook Lopez, he just messed it up for me. I think he ended up scoring 9 points that night. But like I said, I understand that just because Outlier app tells me that it's good odds, the players still have to play. Try it out for yourself. 7-day trial. If you don't win $20, cancel it. I won over $20, so I'm going to keep it I'm going to finish out the month and see how much I make. I don't know if I upgrade to the pro version, but hey, this $20 is worth it.